Hey all, this is Andrew here from MAO Magic, and I have the updated 2019 Tile Slimn. This is a drastic overhaul from the previous generation Tile Slimn. It has changed shape, it has new features, it is all around a much better device. So the basics here, you can find your things, make them ring, find them when they're near you. You can use this to find your phone. You can use Community Find if you lose it in larger outdoor places. It has a 200-foot range and has a 3-year non-replaceable battery. Tile Slimn is the largest of the bunch, but it also is the thinnest, allowing it to fit into more low-profile places. I really dig the new design. It's black instead of white. The edges are rounded just a little bit. It feels very nice, much better than the original version of the Tile Slimn that we saw. The device is fairly simple. It is the size of a credit card. There are 3 tiny little pinholes on the top there where the speaker is, so any audio can come out when you're trying to ring your device. And then there's that large tile icon in that lower left-hand corner, which can be used to ring your phone. As I said, it is very slim, and it is in fact slimmer than the previous generation Tile Slimn. That is saying the word slim a whole lot of times. So here you can see the previous Tile Slimn there on the right. It was nice, but it was harder to fit into wallets because of its square shape, and it was not quite as thin as the updated version. It also had the button there dead in the center. So the new version is overall improved from that, but it does take up a larger footprint now. It is thinner, which is pretty crucial where you're trying to fit this into thin places like a wallet or the back of a laptop or the back of an iPad, somewhere where you don't want this sticking out a whole lot. It is also more durable, has a farther range of 200 feet, rings louder, and has a 3-year battery. Let's walk through setup before we get into trying this thing out. It adds the Tile app just like any other device. Tap on Add Tile, choose the Slim here from the top of the list, press on the ring button or the tile button there on the actual front of the Tile Slimn itself, and then press the next button inside of the app. It'll take just a moment before it looks around and searches and finds it via Bluetooth, and then you can go ahead and connect and activate the Tile to your phone and your account. Tile then presents a list of categories. In this case, we're going to tie this to our wallet, but there are tons of other ideas of places you can do this. A nice little touch here is Tile actually asks you if you want to turn on the Find Your Phone feature. Being that this could go in a wallet, you could kind of but ring your phone, so I like to give you this option right up front. After that initial setup process, it is added into your Tile app, allowing you to find it alongside all of your other Tile devices that you may have already. Of course, this has Community Find, so if you ever lose it and mark it as lost, anyone with a Tile app will be able to send that location back to you in the background. From your phone, you can find the Tile, and then double-clicking that button, if you have it enabled, will find your phone. Other features here include the location history of the device, where it's last been connected, the Smart Alerts beta, which allow you to get notified whenever you leave this behind, so if it's in your wallet and you're walking away from the restaurant, it'll alert you about that. You can add this to Siri shortcuts, so you can use Siri in any of your devices to find your Tile. You can change the ringtone to several that they have, and you can change the volume from loud, normal, or completely mute it. One of the few Tiles that has the variable volume feature, which is pretty nice if it's too loud for you by default. So Tile listened to a lot of user feedback, and that is why they redesigned this Tile, particularly so it fits into slim places like in wallets. Now you can hide it into little places like here on the Nomad wallet. It tucks in behind, and you can kind of secure it in there. This originally shipped with the previous Tile Slim, but updated for this new version is very nice. And then you can use Siri. So I have this tied to one of my other Tiles for the Apple TV remote, but it works the same way. You simply just ask Siri where your device is. It'll go through the Tile app and allow you to know where it is if it's close to you. So this is very similar to you 5 feet away. It's very useful, and you don't have to jump into the app each and every time. The new Tile Slim launched alongside the Tile sticker, as well as an updated version of the Mate and the Tile Pro. It's a very handy device fit for a niche audience, and if you would like to pick this thing up, there are links down below in the description where you can get one for yourself. I'd love to hear what you guys think, so let me know in the description or reach out to me directly on Twitter at Andrew_OSU, and I'll see you next time.